Hey guys, so tomorrow's the Super Bowl and I kind of wanted to do a makeup tutorial for the Super Bowl. So I already put some eyeshadow on to start with, but I'll show you what colors I used. First, I used the white one as my base, and then I went on to this dark brown, and then I did the pinkish, and then I did the tan, and then I went back to the pink. That's not how I usually do it, but yeah. So, and now I'm going to use this other one by Wet n Wild. It has more like purple, like pinkish colors. So I'll try to hold it up and show you. So I'm going to start with the kind of cream color base. See how it's that color on my eye? See how it's beige? Then I'm going to take this like pinkish one, rub it on my finger. It's kind of a brown mauvish color. Okay, now I'm going to take this purple brownish brown color. It's kind of a grayish color, purple, like mauve. Just put it on my eyes. Okay, sorry if I look up. Okay, now I'm going to use this purple from this little palette by LA Colors. Just rub it on my finger like that. It's kind of purplish. Sorry if I look up. And now I'm going to do the same color on my eye, the right eye. So, see how it's way different? And then I'm going to take this other makeup pinkish palette by LA Colors. I got something on it. And I'm going to open it up. I'll try to show you all the colors that I'm going to use. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to take this dark, bright pink. I'm going to rub it like that. And I'm just going to put it on my eye like this. See how it's like making a reddish tone? I like that. Okay. I did the same thing on the other eye. So now I'm going to take this pinkish one, rub it, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to take, again, this pink, rub it on my eye. Oh, I missed a step, but I'll go back. Now I'm going to take this pink right here, rub it, put it on my eye, do it again, see how it's like pinkish, reddish, purple? I'm loving it. Now I'm going to take this color again, the pink, rub it on my eye, sorry. Rub it on my eye. And do it again. Now I'm going to take this peachy color, rub it. It's kind of an orangish color. Rub it and rub it on my eye. Do it again. sure I can do the next step. See how it's turning like reddish, pinkish? Sorry, I was looking in the mirror because it's not right. That was my elbow, but it's okay. Now I'm going to use this palette by Wet n Wild. I only use a few of them, so I'm going to use this like beigeish color and this purple and then this orange and burgundy. So take it, rub it, and then put it on my eye. Now for this purple, pinkish, take it, rub it on my eye. And there you have those two colors. Now I'm going to take this orange, rub it, kind of like a orangish brown. Do the same thing with the other eye. Now I'm going to take this burgundy, one right here where my finger is, and rub it and put it on my eye. See how it's like darkening up? I gotta fix that. Okay, really have to fix it. So, now I'm gonna go back and do a little bit of this colors again. So I'm going to take this dark or deep pink, very pink, put it on my eye, that. Then the pink again. Then this pink again. Again. Sorry, I was looking in the mirror. It's really hard to focus in the camera when there's a mirror in front of you. So, pink again. So, yeah, I think it's going to turn out. This orange peaches. And then this pink again. Okay, so I'm liking it, guys. So, now I'm gonna take this, it's by Wet n Wild, this sparkly gold, and put it on my eyes. And I'm gonna use this little like makeup brush pointer thing that comes in a makeup thing, eyeshadow thing. I'm just gonna rub it in there. See how it's got sparkles on? I'm just gonna put it on my eye like that. Now I'm going to do the other side. So I'm going to come back and put my mascara on it and show you the end result of this video. Okay, so guys, I wanted to show you real quick how for part of this video, how I use my mascara to put it on. So I just go like this. And then up like that. You want to make sure you look up like I am. And then over. See if I can get it all in there. Dip it in again. Okay. I think that's good enough for now. I take a long time doing my mascara. Sorry guys, I'm so quiet. But, oh, I dropped it. There you have it. There is the end result of my Super Bowl 2019 look. It's kind of like a reddish pink, even though I put purple in it. I blended all those colors together, and this is how it turned out. I hope you guys have a safe and happy weekend. Go Patriots!